we'll come back to help her. Today we're diving into the world of $WLF, also known as the Wolf on token crypto coin, a MemeCoin that's generating some buzz. We'll give you a brief overview of what $WLF, or Wolfton, is all about. This MemeCoin's appeal stems from speculation, a strong online community, and its overall meme-driven nature. However, it's absolutely crucial to remember that investing in MemeCoins like $WLF is inherently high risk. Always do your own thorough research before considering any investment. Let's delve into what exactly the $WLF, or Wolfton, cryptocurrency is. Essentially, it's a MemeCoin constructed on a specific blockchain, for example, Solana. Its main purpose is to serve as a community-driven, speculative asset. Key features include its meme-based branding and identity, which is at the heart of its appeal. You might also find decentralized finance elements, such as staking or liquidity pool opportunities, depending on the specific implementation. And, of course, initiatives focused on community building, like contests and events, are often used to engage and grow the user base. You're wondering why you might consider investing in $WLF, or Wolfton. On the upside, these meme coins can have high growth potential, especially if the meme catches on and goes viral. Plus, a strong community backing the coin can really drive engagement and activity. Getting in early can also present some unique opportunities. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. Meme coins are known for their high volatility, so expect some significant price swings. There's also the real risk of rug pulls or scams, so it's crucial to thoroughly research the project before investing any money. Furthermore, many meme coins have limited utility beyond just being a meme, and their value is heavily dependent on overall market sentiment, which can change very quickly. Let's walk through how to buy $WLF, also known as Wolfton, on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global. After creating your account, it's essential to complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process. This is a standard security measure. Once verified, you'll need to deposit cryptocurrency, such as USDT or SOL, into your MEXC account. Next, search for the $WLF or Wolfton trading pair, for example, Wolfton paired with USDT. Now you're ready to place your order to buy $WLF. You can use either a limit order or a market order, depending on your preference. Finally, for added security, you might consider withdrawing your tokens to a personal wallet after the purchase. Let's explore how to buy $WLF, also known as Wolfton, on DeDust. First, let's understand what DeDust is. It's a decentralized exchange, or DX, operating on a specific blockchain. Now for the step-by-step guide. Ensure you have a compatible wallet such as Phantom or Solflare, and that you have enough of the blockchain's native token, such as SOL, to cover the gas fees. Next, connect your wallet to the DeDust platform. Then, search for the $WLF token using its contract address on DeDust, and always verify that you're using the correct address before proceeding. Once you've found the correct token, you can swap your tokens, such as SOL, for $WLF. Depending on the token's volatility, you might need to adjust your slippage tolerance. Finally, confirm the transaction within your wallet to complete the swap. Remember a few important considerations. Pay close attention to slippage tolerance, understand the potential for impermanent loss if you're providing liquidity, and most importantly, double-check and confirm the contract address before you trade. Let's break down the tokenomics of the $WLF or Wolfton token. First, we need to understand the total supply, which dictates the overall scarcity of the coin. Next, it's crucial to know how these tokens were initially distributed, whether through a pre-sale, airdrop, or team allocation, as this impacts early ownership and potential volatility. We also need to examine if there's a burn mechanism in place that permanently removes tokens from circulation, aiming to reduce the total supply over time. Finally, it's important to understand if the token has any utility beyond speculation, like use in a specific application or platform, which could contribute to its long-term value. Recent overview of the $WLF or Wolfton DApp. We'll start with a description of what exactly the DApp entails, and then move on to explore its key features. These features might include staking mechanisms, allowing you to lock up your tokens for rewards, opportunities to provide liquidity to the market, contributing to the trading pool, and perhaps even governance participation, giving you a voice in the project's future direction. We'll also cover any other notable functionalities it may offer. Finally, it's crucial to be aware of the risks involved when interacting with any DApp, including potential vulnerabilities in the smart contracts that could be exploited. For diving into an investment like Wolf on Ton, it's crucial to take some important considerations into account. First and foremost, conduct thorough due diligence. Research the team behind the project, understand the project roadmap, and gauge the overall sentiment within the community. Next, assess your personal risk tolerance. Only invest an amount that you are comfortable potentially losing. Be aware that the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, so prepare yourself for potentially significant price fluctuations. Also, prioritize security by safeguarding your tokens and wallets with strong, unique passwords, and by enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible. Finally, to make well-informed decisions, it's essential to stay informed about the project's progress, news, and developments, as well as broader market trends in the crypto space. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap that $WLF, also known as Wolfton, is presented as a high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity. Remember, it's absolutely essential that you do your own research before investing any money. Responsible investing is key, so only invest what you can afford to lose. We highly recommend joining the $WLF community, where you can stay updated on the latest news and engage in discussions with fellow enthusiasts. And finally, as a crucial reminder, please remember that this content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.